Namaste. My name is Minnie and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today I'm back with a simple vegan recipe which is cherry tomatoes garlic noodles. I want to thank everyone for watching these vegan recipes and giving so much love and support to this channel. The reason I started this channel back is to help my fellow vegans with simple go-to recipes, as sometimes it can get really hard even to think what to prepare next. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see the ingredients we would need for preparing our cherry tomato garlic noodles. We are using around 200 to 300 grams of pasta, 100 to 150 grams of cherry tomatoes, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt or as per taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Let's start the cooking process by boiling water in a pan, and once it starts to boil, add 1 teaspoon of salt followed by 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Then gently add the pasta or noodles to the water and start rotating it slowly every 30 seconds. This way the pasta won't break. I'm using corn pasta today for making this recipe. You can use any pasta of your choice. This process will take around 15 to 20 minutes for the pasta to cook. Check the pasta regularly to ensure you don't overcook it. You can always check the pasta whether it is cooked by trying to break it from the edge. The pasta looks cooked now. We'll set it aside and drain the water. Now let's add the cherry tomatoes to an oven tray and slice them like this in a horizontal and vertical fashion. Once all the cherry tomatoes are sliced, sprinkle some salt and pepper on it, followed by a drizzle of oil. I'm using olive oil here because I love the flavors olive oil brings out in this recipe. Now mix everything together. Now we'll cook the cherry tomatoes in the oven at 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or till you see that they have turned soft. The cherry tomatoes are completely cooked. We have taken it out from the oven and we'll keep it aside. Meanwhile, we'll grate the garlic cloves. I would suggest you to grate the garlic cloves instead of chopping them, as it will infuse better with the oil and cherry tomatoes and bring out a very good flavor. Heat a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the grated garlic cloves to it. Cook the garlic for about 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. Once you see the garlic is turning golden brown, go ahead and add the cooked cherry tomatoes to the pan. Mix them together nicely and then let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. You can see the tomatoes are completely cooked and infused with garlic. Now go ahead and add your pasta and then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt or salt as per taste. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and now mix everything together. Mix them gently to avoid breaking the noodles. Now switch off the flame and the cherry tomato garlic noodles are ready. It's one of the simplest recipes to prepare and with so many flavors which will keep you full for a longer time. You can make it for breakfast, lunch or even as a snack. You may top it with some vegan cheese for some added flavors. Try to use fresh cherry tomatoes as they are so beneficial for your health. This is one of the easiest things I prepare on a busy day or when I want to eat something light with full of flavors. So if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel Foodotomic. I will see you next time with a new vegan recipe. Until then, bye.